Hi everybody. Okay, I just scraped one. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do a bloom with some black, gold, copper colors. All right, so let's try this one again. Welcome to my art room. Thanks for coming by. So this is eggshell. House paint that I just put down. So this is Mars Black LIQUITEX Basics. I've got Deco Art Silver. It's got a little bit of JoSonja Silver in there too. Actually, I'm going to use copper, I think. Then I'm going to use gold. It's a little bit thin, that one. I've got some Acrylics. This is a gold, sunset gold. It's kind of a strange kind of a color, but let's see what I get. I'm going to do silver. It's probably a lot of paint again. I did it again. All right. This is white cell activator. I feel like it's a bit thick, but it's mixed with 50-50 Australian Floetrol and regular Floetrol. So I'll put white first, and I'll now do black. I just feel like this is gone. No, it's not thick. I'm going to use this to blow the middle. And I'll blow it all. I was gonna change blowers, but wow. It's pretty nice. I did get cells around the edges. Most places anyway. I got peacock cells. I'm happy with the colors. Let's let the middle come back in. That's gorgeous. Just gonna see if it moves. Okay, I think I'll give it a spin. If you make your color of your circle smaller, you won't lose as much off. I did have a lot of paint on there, but that's okay. There, that's pretty good. It's moving a little bit. I'll give it one more spin. Wow, I think that's going to be shiny. I really like this. All right, there you go. Have a good day, everybody, and come back to Carol's art room. I love these colors. I'm going to do another one maybe with some more, less silver maybe. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile, my golds and copper. Dried really nice. Nice shine there. I think the middles is still a little bit tacky. Tiles take longer to dry than canvases. So I'm not going to touch the middle, but there's a close-up. All those pretty cells. It's amazing how different each section is. There you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.